Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to save a clinical review report profile. Saving a clinical review report profile allows you to easily access your desired report setup without having to reselect all the parameters each time. In this video, we will start on the report screen. For more information regarding the report screen, please refer to the Navigating and Understanding the Report Screen user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Clinical Reports tab to open the Clinical Review screen. For more information regarding how to use the Clinical Review screen, please refer to the Clinical Review screen, Navigation and Use user manual linked in this video's description. First, double-click on the desired workflow event you would like to save and generate the report for. For the purpose of this video, we will be utilizing the Seek Note option. The criteria screen will open. From here, click on the parameters and criteria of the information you wish to display on the clinical review report. To learn more on this, please refer to the How to Generate a Clinical Review Report user manual linked in this video's description. Please note that certain workflow events will not have any criteria that can be used to create a report profile. Next, click on the drop-up menu next to the Generate Report button. Now, once you're satisfied with the selections made, click on the Save and Generate button. The Save New Profile screen will open. Click on the New Profile Name field and enter the name you want to allocate to the report profile. Once done, click on the OK button to save. The report will now be generated accordingly. Your report will now be available on the Report Profile drop-down menu as shown. Please note that the profile will only be available on the workflow event on which it was set up.